In this video, we will see how page actions are used while simulating Google Talk in iRise Studio version 7.2. So as per the functionality, when you hover over John Brutus, the small overlay that you get to see on the right hand side gets displayed, and if you move out of this row which holds John Brutus and his status, then the overlay disappears. How do we make it happen? Let's see. So if you notice this, from this section there is an event that gets triggered, and the event is switch views. The page action to switch the views gets triggered, and the trigger for the switch view to get triggered is on mouse over. So when your mouse comes over John Brutus, the page action switch view gets triggered, and the page action tells you to switch dynamic display 19 to section 12. So this is section 12. So initially the default view is an empty view. So when the event gets triggered and the view gets switched over from empty view, it flips over to section 12. So the event is on mouse over switch view. Now once your mouse is over this particular section or within this section, this view needs to be retained. So in that instance you have another event which gets triggered from this section as well to switch the view. So the same page action is linked from both sides, either if your mouse is over John Brutus or if your mouse is over this overlay, switch the view. Now the moment you move outside any of these two sections, there is another event that gets triggered which says on mouse leave switch view. So the page action here says switch the view back to empty view. So when you leave the section for the overlay or the row corresponding to John Brutus, the view gets switched and it gets switched over to empty view. So that's how you basically bring up this overlay whenever you hover over John Brutus. Next video we will take a look at all the data movements that is encompassed within the simulation of Google Talk, and we will look at how users can be made to converse with yourself and how business rules and logic can be built into the simulation. Thank you.